always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back on this Monday. There's a look at Storm Track Live now, satellite and radar showing Hurricane Beryl, which made landfall in Matagorda, Texas early on this morning at about 4 a.m. You can see that that continues to shift northward. It made landfall as a Category 1 storm. It has since reduced to a tropical storm, but even still very strong and potent storm as that continues to roll through College Station in Texas. Here's a report of some of the strongest wind gusts observed as that storm made landfall in Freeport, Texas, 94 miles per hour, in Brazoria County Airport at 85 miles per hour, exceeding 70 in Galveston Bay and Houston, and then at 68 miles per hour in Spring, Texas. So there's the current characteristics on that storm, spinning just northwest of Houston now. Still some 70 mile per hour wind speeds observed. It looks like that's going to reduce in strength as that continues northward, and it could clip southern portions of Michigan. That looks to occur as we get into tomorrow night and Wednesday. Following the strip of heavy rain, you can see that that extends from Texas into Missouri, Illinois, and eventually could stack up some hefty totals, especially along and south of Interstate 94, where you see the yellows and oranges on your screen as you move into southeastern parts of Michigan. There could be some spots that see as much as about 4 inches of precipitation. So there does remain some uncertainty in regards to the exact track of the storm, but locally, we should expect to see the greatest impacts if this does take this more northerly track through Michigan as we get into tomorrow night and Wednesday. That could result in some 2 to 4 inch rainfall totals with, again, the greatest likelihood of seeing that set up along and south of I-94. Looking in on the current situation now with Storm Track Live, you can see that we have just a few sprinkles that are continuing to pass through portions of Allegan County into Ottawa County, and we could see those continue to pass into Kent County as well, but just a few sprinkles, not really a whole lot to be concerned with there. As we go through the afternoon, we could see the formation of some more scattered showers and storms. There's the view on the Gerald R. Ford International Airport now, as our temperature stands at 78 degrees, winds drawn from the southwest at 9 miles per hour, and it remains quite muggy with a dew point of 68. Temperatures a spread of 70s and 80s. It's currently 84 degrees in Battle Creek, 75 for Holland, 78 degrees in Fremont. We have some cooler conditions up north that's associated with more widespread rainfall that we experienced earlier on today. The wind remains calm between about 5 and 10 miles per hour at 7 in Ionia, currently 10 miles per hour in Kalamazoo, and 8 in Fremont. It has been a cooler than normal start to the month of July. The average temperature in Grand Rapids at 68.8 degrees, below normal by about 3.5. And as we go through the next few days here, it is going to stay quite mild, especially as we get into Wednesday with a high only in the mid-70s. But the humidity is kind of the trade-off there. It's still going to feel quite warm. 83 on Thursday with a chance of seeing a few showers and storms inland. And then we crank up the heat, feeling more like July into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, when we could make a run at 90 degrees. Emily and Rick.